In Goa, STEM learning is transforming how students from underserved schools experience education. Science and math are no longer intimidating. Students now explore these subjects with curiosity, confidence, and excitement. Across 30 plus schools, our mini science centers are making this change possible. Through hands on models, teachers simplify complex concepts while students observe, experiment, and connect theories with real life situations. Lessons that once felt abstract now make sense, helping students understand, retain, and apply knowledge meaningfully. This approach goes beyond textbooks and tests. It builds a strong foundation for future STEM careers while nurturing essential life skills like critical thinking, teamwork, problem solving, and creativity. For proper implementation, we train teachers to deliver engaging lessons with our hands-on model. Regular monitoring and evaluation track student progress and impact. With the support of our CSR partners, classrooms in Goa are turning into spaces of confidence and discovery, where every child learns to think, explore, and dream fearlessly.